Go off the top. Here you go. Get it right there. Get the side. Behind the ear. Okay, look up and get right there. Want the eyebrows? That's the extra 10. Oh, there you go. Behind the tail, okay, that's 100. Go off the side. Okay, other side. You have to pay for that too. So your TikTok money, that's coming out your check. Yeah, you did that. Crawling up there, you did that. Yep, you did that. All right. Stop knocking shit. Look at you. Look at you. Stop it. Quit it. You're gonna make it fall again. Stop. What are you looking for? What is you possibly looking for?